Hello there and welcome to this video. Now this is an interesting Facebook ad update from Facebook. Do you know that Facebook now have a new payment method for paying for your Facebook ad? Before now, you will agree with me that there are a few methods by which you can actually pay for your Facebook ad. So most times you either have to pay, especially if you're in a country like Nigeria, you have to pay either in Naira using your normal Naira card, which might be your Visa card or Mastercard or Verve card. But then we noticed after a while that we began to have issues with paying for Facebook ad with our normal Naira card. So most times if you find yourself in this kind of situation, you either have to use a dollar card or a prepaid dollar card, because even many of the virtual dollar card that are available are not working. Okay, but if you're not in Nigeria or in Africa, most times you don't usually have issues with paying for your ad, because most of the methods that are active on Facebook are things that you really can resonate with. So you can easily pay, using your dollar account or even PayPal, which is not really always available to us here in Africa and in Nigeria specifically, because that is where I come from. So I noticed recently that Facebook updated the way by which you can pay for your ad. Before now, you only have the option of using your card, okay? But now, do you know that Facebook has introduced a method by which you can actually pay for your Facebook ad using bank transfer, okay? And if you're in Nigeria, you will agree with me that that is a very, very, very nice option for us. But then I noticed here that this option is still very new on Facebook ad platform, and I noticed that many Facebook ad accounts don't already have this option yet. In fact, I checked through all my ad accounts and I discovered that I don't have this option yet. But I was checking up on YouTube, and I checked one of the videos that I really follow on YouTube, and this guy actually did a video where he showed how to use bank transfer to pay for your Facebook ad, because that option is very available in his own ad account. So right now I'm going to show you that video where you will see the way this guy did it, and then you just go over to your own ad account and check if you have it. If you're lucky enough to have it, then good for you, you can begin to use it. But if you discover that you're yet to have this method on your ad account, then you have to wait a little bit, because as time goes on, we believe that Facebook will begin to roll it out to more ad accounts. And even if you're not in Nigeria or in Africa, I believe that it's also a possibility for you. You should check your ad account if you have a method like that by which you can pay, for your Facebook ad. So let me take you over to that video. You watch it and then you check your ad account if you have that option already enabled. So I'll see you at the end of the video.
So right now, I am in the billing section of my ad account. You can just log into your Facebook ad account and come to billing and payment. And right now, I don't have any money inside this particular account. So I'll click on add funds. And here you can see that under payment method, we now have a pay by bank transfer option. So I can just select this. And then you just want to go ahead and enter the amount you want to use to fund your account. Now, this pay by bank transfer option has a limit of 100 naira to 100,000 naira. Let's say, for instance, if I want to add 200,000 naira, it is going to show this error message that you need to enter between 100 naira and 100,000 naira. So each transaction through bank transfer has to be between 100 naira and 100,000 naira. And for this example, let me just use 500 naira for this case, and then make sure your bank transfer option is selected and then click on next. In the next step, you will need to enter your phone number. So you can see your phone number will be used to generate the virtual account for your payment. So I'll just go ahead and enter my phone number and then click continue. And that will basically generate a virtual account number that you can make this transfer to. So here's the account number and the bank is bigger. You also get an email with these details. The email will be sent to the email address attached to your Facebook ad account. So what you just want to do from this point is go to your bank app and make a transfer of the amount you want to add to your ad account. And you should also know that this account is only valid for about 12 minutes. So after 12 minutes, this account number is going to expire. So I'll go to my bank app now and make this transfer. So I have made a transfer of 500 naira, and you can see the payment was confirmed immediately. Here it says 500 naira added to your prepaid balance. I'll just click on done, and you can see that the money has been added to my prepaid balance right here. When running ads, you already have a lot of issues to deal with, And I hope that with this update, payment method is not going to be an issue for you anymore. If your card does not work or if you hit the limit of your card, you can just use the bank transfer option, which is very convenient, and keep your ads running without any issues.
Okay, so you can see it's that simple. So what I want you to do right now is to go to your ad account, check it out. If you have it available already, you can start using it. But if you don't, like I said already, just wait a bit. I believe in the process of time, Facebook will roll it out to more ad accounts, and hopefully your account and my own account also will begin to enjoy this new feature. So that is it for this video. If you enjoy it, please give it a like and help me share it to more persons who might need this kind of information on your social media handles, and I will appreciate it. If you also want to see more marketing and make money online videos like this one, why not just subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert bell so YouTube can notify you when I release more videos like this. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.